just got back from New Orleans, and I'm over here at Lamborghini of Las Vegas. And although I've spent a ton of money getting all kinds of stuff done, and I'll go over all that with you guys later, the car is in push mode, so royalty is here to pick it up, and for right now we're just going to be towing it back home, putting it in the garage, and kind of go from there. But there you go. Well, I was you know, hopefully going to put this all together in a nice series, but now I've filmed, I don't know, like 4 things out of sequence, between the tires, you know, a little joke with the what I thought was going to be a joke with the Vaseline, but yeah. So and then I think on the what was it, the Vegas Auto Fest, I said, you know, Ben called, told me the repair was going to be double what I had anticipated. So you know, it is what it is for right now. Like I said, we're just gonna tow this back, and you know, I'll probably bring it back probably like the first week of December to get the actuator done. So again, I've got, man, like 7-8 pages of repair docs here, so we'll go over all of that, and then you know, have to go over it again once we do the actuator too. But for now, I'll get some video of this thing going up, you know, in the trailer. Eddie's just doing his part. I'm riding with you, right? Okay, all right. Otherwise, I'm stranded. I have to call Houston and get a rental. They'll probably charge me double because I don't own a Bugatti.
Previously on the Cheddarwedge channel.
Yeah, I know the wife's gonna probably be happy that the house doesn't smell like rubber anymore. And I thought it was kind of a good segue into you know, the costs involved in owning a supercar. So I'm actually taking a new set of Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's down to Lamborghini of Las Vegas. I get these installed along with a bunch of other work done on the Cheddarwedge. As you know, I was putting another video together which was trying to fix the eGear, because right now it's in the RN flashing, what we call the retard mode. So, you know, having problems with that. I did change out the number 15 relay in fuse box 2, but that didn't fix the problem. And then I tore the back end apart a little bit trying to get at the eGear pump motor itself, just to replace that. But after, you know, talking to High-Tech Exotics and a couple other people, the symptoms are more of the micro switches, not the actuator or the pump. So, you know, without the LARA software, I really can't like diagnose what the pressures are in the with the hydraulic fluid or anything. So really have no choice but to take it there. Nobody else in town really has the software either. So I talked to Ben at Las Vegas Lamborghini. You know, they're going to take a look at the car, and so I figured just bite the bullet and you know, get all the other stuff done. I was going to change the oil on it, which I'm not really due for an oil change yet. I only got like 2,500 miles on the oil that's in it now. But I figured while the car was there, I'll just go over, you know, basically everything. So yeah, I've got a whole laundry list here of some of the stuff to do. You know, pretty much, what did I give them? Replace the tires for Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's, install new TPMS sensors. I've got 4 brand new Lamborghini ones. So I have a TPMS error, you know, code or a bang on the dash, and it's coming from the right passenger rear tire. So you know, curbside, and you know, it's a 2008, so probably all the batteries are dead in the other ones too. So I got these, they're new sensors, OEM, and new valve stems. So figure why they have the tires off. Might as well replace all 4 of those. And then, just in case, which I had on one of the other videos, just in case I do need it, I have the pump that I got from the F1 guy online, Yuri, and so I'm going to bring this just in case they call me and say, hey, you might want to change that out. I would prefer to change it out with this one. And I did leave the number 15 relay in, so I mean, it's already set and prepped for that. And you know, let's see, what else do I have on here? I also had, oh, 4-wheel alignment. So once I get the new tires, I want to get an alignment, and then, you know, oil change, filter, check the spark plugs, air filters, you know, replace that if it needs it, because I am right at like 20,000, so it's probably due. And check the eGear, do a snap report. So they've got a special on that right now. They'll give me a free snap report and an actual printout of it. So definitely want that. And I'll send that to High Tech and have them, you know, look at basically all the totals. And you know, check or replace the micro switches. So more than likely that's what it is. But I also want them to check the actuator, see what the pressures are, and you know, check the pump. So pump and the actuator. And again, they can replace that one if need be. And then also I want them to do AC inspection, because I did fill the AC. I didn't vlog it for some reason, but I want them to check that, flush it, because I'm not really sure what's in it, and you know, make sure that either the valve under the dash or the valve underneath the drive line is not you know, having a problem or leaking or anything. I didn't see any fluid, but right now I'm kind of blowing hot air. Well, yeah, I'm talking to you guys, but so, you know, if need be, you know, I'd rather have them do that. And then last, I got that stupid airbag light again for some reason. I mean, it's gone on and then it's gone off and then it's back on again. So I would just want to have them clear it and also ask them, you know, if there's some reason. And then I still have the inner wheel well panel pulled and also the rear deck lid pulled, because I'm putting in this Halon fire extinguisher. So you know, I'll just let them know, hey, it's okay, I got that stuff at home, you know, I'll get this mounted where I want it, and you know, basically put the car back together like next week, you know, when I'm back. So so it kind of sucks, you know, getting the stuff done that I need done, but you know, it's Monterey week, and so I really wanted to have the Lambo out there. You know, I kind of feel like Damon Fryer a little bit. You know, I don't have a Lambo for Monterey, and I'm also going out of town, so I figured why not just drop the car off, leave it there, let them fix it. By the time I come back in, you know, then I can go and drive it around. So last but not least, you know, I wanted to make sure that I also brought this, because I have a feeling I'm gonna need it. Anyway, I'm gonna get these loaded up into the Xterra, and you know, then follow down in the Lambo. All right, well, on the road, I was able to back it out of the garage fine, and right now we're at least moving anyway. So if I can limp it over there to Lamborghini of Las Vegas, we'll have them take a look, and then hopefully I'll be able to pick it up next Friday or the following Monday, and it'll be good as new. So stay tuned. Well, that wasn't very much fun, trying to get all the way over here without coming to a full stop. We're trying to get here early because you know, just to beat the traffic on the freeway, and then brake lights. So yeah, and since it's in retard mode, you know, I wanted to keep the car moving, but we were able to make it here, so I'm gonna drop it off. And yeah, unfortunately they're not going to touch it until Monday, but you know, he can give me a call while I'm out of town, and we'll just go over everything, and then hopefully it'll be finished by Friday, so that way we can just go from the airport straight to here, pick it up, and head home, and then take it out to the car meet because it hasn't been really out of the garage in a little while. So anyway, that's a nice spec one right there. I mean, like I said before, either orange or green, and if I got green, this is exactly what it would look like right here. Green interior. Very nice. Wow. All right, well, stay tuned.